Patio door installation in Houston, Texas, is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces. With a variety of Patio Doors Houston options like sliding glass doors, French doors, and bifold patio doors, residents can choose the perfect style to complement their homes. Patio door installation services in Houston are provided by expert companies that ensure a seamless and efficient process. Sliding glass doors in Houston are a popular choice due to their sleek design and functionality. These doors offer easy access to outdoor spaces while maximizing natural light. Sliding glass doors, Houston specialists provide top-notch installation and replacement services to keep your doors in optimal condition. French doors in Houston add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any home. Known for their classic design, French Doors Houston experts offer a range of styles and materials, including wooden and vinyl options, to suit your aesthetic preferences. Patio door companies in Houston provide comprehensive installation and maintenance services for French doors. Patio door replacement in Houston is essential for maintaining the functionality and security of your doors. Whether it's fixing patio door locks, replacing patio door glass, or addressing issues with patio door frames, Houston Patio Door Replacement Services ensure your doors remain in top shape. Patio Door Maintenance Houston services also include weatherproofing and security enhancements. Custom Patio Doors Houston allow homeowners to create unique and personalized entryways. With options for energy-efficient patio doors and various patio door styles, Custom Patio Doors Houston services cater to individual tastes and needs. Patio door experts in Houston work closely with clients to design and install custom solutions. Energy-efficient patio doors in Houston are an excellent investment for reducing energy costs and enhancing comfort. These doors are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Energy-efficient patio doors. Houston services offer a range of options, including aluminum and vinyl patio doors, to improve your home's energy performance. Patio door replacement in Houston is a service that ensures your doors are up to date and functioning properly. Whether you're upgrading to bifold patio doors or replacing old wooden patio doors, Houston Patio Door Replacement Services provide expert guidance and installation. Patio door companies in Houston offer a wide selection of patio door brands to choose from. Bifold patio doors in Houston are an innovative solution for maximizing space and creating a seamless indoor-outdoor transition. These doors fold neatly to one side, offering unobstructed views and easy access to outdoor areas. Bifold patio doors. Houston services include professional installation and maintenance to ensure long-lasting performance. Aluminum patio doors in Houston are known for their durability and modern appearance. These doors are resistant to corrosion and require minimal maintenance, making them a popular choice for homeowners. Aluminum patio doors. Houston services provide expert installation and replacement to keep your doors looking and functioning their best. Vinyl patio doors Houston offer a cost-effective and low-maintenance option for homeowners. These doors are available in various styles and colors, providing flexibility in design. Vinyl Patio Doors Houston services include installation, replacement, and maintenance to ensure your doors remain in excellent condition.